So this is just a short video of my Seacraft 37 with a Wallas diesel heater. So we're looking at the thermostat right there. And this is the heater down here. I made a wood bracket for it. I had to move my start battery to make room for it. The two house batteries are stuck back in there. These are battle-born lithium 100 amp hours. The controller is our energy. It basically does the interfacing between the alternator, the start battery, and the lithium battery. So the lithium and the AGM is electrically separated. There's the ducting through there. There's the, let's see if I can see this correctly. This first switch is for the windlass, then that's the power for the heater. The ducts, there's two, there's one there, and one there. So they're down low and the heat warms up the floor really nice. The fuel is, let's see if I can do this. That's the fuel tank down there. I'll show you a different angle of it. See, it's sitting down there on a little shelf that I made for it. It's got an aluminum retaining bracket there. I haven't made the wires and everything pretty yet. I need to finish up with that. So the start battery, which was right there, got moved over there. So I made a shelf for it. So this is the space across from the head. If you're a 37 owner, you know what that is. It's just up there in front of the battery shelf, which is, like I said, back over there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The heater's been on for about an hour, and it's warm to the touch here, but not too bad. The seat cushions that used to go there are getting redone, so they'll be split along the wall, along the bulkhead, and they'll have a notch right there, the bottom cushion. So that's about it. And the thermostat, basically you just set. Now I'm going to turn the heater off. Push and hold for about 3 seconds. There, it's off. And it'll go through a little shutdown procedure and cool itself off before it turns the fan off. It'll verify that the flame is out, which is that red there. It'll start flashing in a couple of minutes, and then it shuts itself down. And that's it. It works pretty well.